Alright guys, morning. I'm in the hotel. I just woke up, took a shower, got my heat gear because it's gonna be cold outside. It's like 21 degrees, but oh man. Let's give you a tour of this room, this hotel, okay, that I'm staying in. Alright, okay, let me see. Let's see. Okay, man. How do we do this? Alright. Alright. Let's see. Nice. Clean. And I just use it. I'm a clean guy anyway. Nice shower. Really nice. Clean. Look at that. Nice. Nice light. Well, that's the tour, guys. Nice hotel. All right. All right, man. Nice hotel. Look at that. Nice. Nice hotel. Very nice. Clean. All right. Let's go hit this one here. Oh, man. All right. One. What a lobby. Check out. I did, sir. I'm taking out early today. All right. 423. Notice email to me. Yeah. I have an emergency, so I gotta go. Sorry about that. All right. All right. That's it? I'll see you. All right. Well, this is their dining here, too. I ate there a while ago. Nice. All right. I'll see you, sir. All right. Let's get a car right here. All right. We'll see you. All right. I think they say we're heading west to Plymouth, Indiana. Nice. Really nice.
Turn right on East Center Street. Then
turn right. No, we're not going right. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Let's go. All right. We're heading west to Illinois. Yeah. All these people requesting to follow my channel. I mean, that's nice though. All right, guys. I'm going to talk in different languages, okay? Because I got a lot of subscribers.
Turn left on North
All right, we're heading to Plymouth, Indiana. All the way to the west, across, I think this is 30. Pupunta tayo doon sa Plymouth, Indiana. Hindi ko naman ipakita ang ko, ang knowing ko, ang mukha ko kasi delikado yan. Atong tanaw na to, ato tas Plymouth, Indiana. Sus, nindot kayo dire sa Amerika. Muna ako ipakita dire sa mga tao nga gikan sa Amerika, wala sa Amerika. Ug moari mo dire nindot kayo. America is really nice. United States. I'm lucky that my parents are American citizen. Look at that. And I'm thanking God of this opportunity. Yeah? I live around the world, and I ended up United States. It's nice. Nindot ni bay. Nindot ni ato ta. Sige. Dira na ako ipakita ang akong naong sa road trip. Pero nindot kayo dire muna. Sige. All right. Thank you. you for coming with me on this road trip. Salamat sa pag uban ninyo sa akong road trip na ako. It's nice. I'm gonna show you how America, people from other countries that never been here. That's just America. Nice, ha? Lami kayo dire, nindot. Oh, maganda dito, road trip ka. Maayo. Different ang ano, diferensya, okay? Diferensya. La Famille. Nice. All right. I'll see you guys. Guys, I need to detour a little bit and see. Look at that. That is nice. Like, you know, lake in between, right? And in between Warsaw and what do you call this? Plymouth. That is nice. I have to check this out. It's a road trip. Oh, tanawan, nindot kayo, di ba? Nindot kayo. Oh, nindot ni kayo dire. Tanawar good. Oh, tanawin nyo, magaling, maganda. Maganda dito. Lake front. Oh, sa lake yan. Nindot. Mana? Oh, ano sa tadiri? Tanaw na ako, ako ipakita ninyo. Unang nindot kay ngaris Amerika. Pero maglisod mamog kuwag visa ba? Oh, mga taga kuan dito. Nindot kayo. Oh, sige. Oh, well, all right, man. We'll see you. I'm heading back. Yep. Oh, sige. Oh, ato na ko. Mari ko duris kwan. Oh, sige. Okay, bye. Guys, it's really raining hard. I have to go slow down. Nag-uulan eh. I have to slow down. Nahina ako kay sus. Kuyaw kayo. Oh. But okay, we're South Plymouth, exit half. Alright, right there, half mile exit. So this is it. Gonna go Plymouth, Indiana. Oh, hari na tas Plymouth. Oh, ulan lagi, kusog kayong ulan. Umuulan, maraming ulan, oh. Pouring, oh. Nagpupur pa, ano. Oh, sige, Plymouth. Alright, I'm gonna go exit here. Alright. There you go. Alright. I'm gonna go slow because it's so slippery. It's cold. I think it's... My reading here is 18 degrees. Oh my. Alright. Plymouth. South. Alright. We're gonna go slow here. Alright, let's go. Let's head to Plymouth. We probably don't have to go outside the car because it's really raining. But let's explore this Plymouth, Indiana. Alright. Alright, we might be here downtown. Let's see what's going on here. Okay. Oh yeah, we're downtown Plymouth. Okay, let's go turn. It's a small place. It's a small city in Indiana. That's about it. Is it? This is it? Oh, okay. Oh, out there. Let's go around. Man, and it's cold too. Oh my. I'm gonna put my headgear here because it's getting cold. Alright. Let's not get out of the car. Dili ta mo gawa sa auto. Sa kuan. Auto kay sus. Kuyaw kayo. Ulan. 18 degrees. Alright. Okay, so this will be probably the courthouse. Their courthouse, eh? Look at that. I think that's their courthouse. Let's just let's park here a little bit and see their courthouse. Okay, that's enough. Nobody wants to see a courthouse. Nobody wants to see a courthouse. Oh man, I wish it's not raining. Dili ano nag-ulan kay sus. Oh, ato ta dito. Dili mo ulan para ma-explore nato ning gamayng syudad nga Plymouth, Indiana. Nindot. Oh. Tanaw ta basig mga unta dire. Basig na ay kalan-an oy police station. Oh, may na nila police station nila. Oh. Sige, hina lang ta. Mayroon ni Plymouth na Indiana. Pero nindot. It's nice. It's really okay. It's really clean too. Alright. Let's see what we have. Oh, this guy just ran. Alright. So this is detour. But why would we detour? We don't really detour ourselves. We're just gonna park here. Alright. And see downtown. Okay. 2-hour parking. Alright, let's go right here. Let's explore, man. Let's explore. Alright. Let's turn the Alright. Alright, let's go this way. Nice! Plymouth, Indiana is nice. Look at that. Nice. Nice architecture. I don't want to let you see my face. Oh, nindot there's Plymouth, Indiana. So, taga, kuwan ka sa laing lugar. Nindot rin kuwan puyan. Oy, nindot taga rin sa siya. Oh, concert. Nice. Oh. Very nice. And it's, I'm shivering. It's like 18 degrees. Oh. Man, it's really nice here. Oh, got a new store. What is that? I'm gonna stop talking here because it's cold. Nice. It stopped, but They don't have too much car here, so we don't have to worry about anything. Oh, that's nice here. Real nice. Timberlane. Oh, the bridge. Oh, nice. It's a good bridge here too. Let's go on the other side out there. Let's not go that way. This is kind of. Let's go. No. Piece of shit, but he was just like, you know, avoiding to get me into an accident. Nice here. Yeah, he was. Man, nice friendly people. They let you go. They let you cross the street. All right. Nice. Muni kuan Plymouth, Indiana. Dito ang Plymouth. Galing dito. We'll take a picture too. All right. I am drenched. Ulan yun. Pero protektado. Oy, nindot mo ni. Oy. Martin Luther King. Nice. Muna yan theater din eh. Nindot ang theater nila. Oh, ninduta diri oh. Murag Highland Park, Illinois. Nindot niyo. Sus, gaulan pag yun. Head Salon. Oh, man, I love this place. Gusto kamo muli ako ipakita ninyo. Dili mo taga Amerika. Tanaw ninyo. Nindot. Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, they got a bakery shop. I might eat there. Oh, nice place. Food. Let's go get something to eat. Nice building. I would like to eat there, but it's an ice cream. It's cold. It's cold. But anyway, look at this. Got their own jewelry store. Nice. Okay. I think that's it for Plymouth, Indiana. Alright, back to our car. This is it. We'll end this up because it's really raining. Ulan pag-ayo. Umuulan eh. Dili na maayong ikon. Magkilat niya din na. Muray ato. Oh my God. Oh, ninduta oh. Nindut diri oh. Plymouth, Indiana. Oh, sige. Woo. Go back to our car. We're heading back. I'm drenched. Alright. Guys, I'll end this